The shareholders of Tortoise Acquisition Corporation have voted to make the electric drivetrain maker Hyliion into a public company worth more than $7.2 billion. In this video, we'll review that decision, discuss what you can expect when Hyliion is traded on the stock market, and whether I'll be selling my shares of Hyliion. Let's get into it. The company's management expects the merger to close on Thursday, October 1st, after which Tortoise stocks will convert to Hyliion Stock and begin trading under the ticker symbol HYLN in New York Stock Exchange. That means the ticker symbol HYLN will replace Tortoise Acquisition ticker symbol of SHLL. As a result of the merger, Hyliion will receive $560 million raised through the initial public offering and a sale of discounted shares through a private investment in public equity. This is enough money to fund Hyliion's business plan to replace diesel engines in nearly any manufacturer's heavy-duty trucks. Hyliion currently sells an electric axle that improves the performance of diesel-powered trucks. Its next product, the Hypertruck ERX, will use a generator fueled by zero-emission renewable natural gas to make onboard electricity. Tortoise Acquisition's investment in Hyliion is one of the 116th IPO in the form of a special purpose acquisition company, also known as a SPAC, this year. They have generated more than $43 billion in proceeds, according to a SPAC Insider. In a special meeting with the shareholders this week, they approved all proposals offered by the company except for proposal number 3, which is the Director Classification Charter proposal. The approval of proposal 3 is apparently being withheld by one larger investor, the Utah Advisors. The firm has consistently maintained that it is against proposal number 3, so as to maintain a balance of power between Tortoise Acquisition or Hyliion stockholders and the board. According to Utah Advisors, a classified board can make it harder to force crucial changes in case the board of directors or management drive the company toward a proverbial precipice. It remains to be seen when this highly anticipated merger can now achieve closure. That said, the shareholders in Tortoise Acquisition or those investors interested in Hyliion should not worry, as the stock would start trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HYLN starting October 1st. Looking at the stock price before it converts to Hyliion, the Tortoise Acquisition shares declined by 6.88% today, closing the day at $49.83. As for me, my investment in Tortoise Acquisition has really yielded quite well, and so far I have a gain of slightly over 88%. My average price is sitting at $26.30, so quite a decent cost basis here that I've got. How I'm gonna treat this stock tomorrow once it starts trading in the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HYLN. If the stock actually continues to grow and surpasses its all-time high price of about $58, I might consider to sell perhaps a quarter of my shares. I'm looking at a price of around $60. So if it hits $60, I might share about a quarter of my shares. While I know Hyliion is a young startup company, I do believe that they have a unique business model and they have a lot to offer. It is definitely one of my riskier investments that I have in my portfolio, but I do intend to hold on to some of my shares with Hyliion and see where they go in the stock market in the months to come and perhaps even in the years to come. But I'm curious to hear from you. Do you own currently shares of Tortoise Acquisition, and what's your prediction of the Hyliion stock once they have their debut in the stock market tomorrow? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly videos about stock market, finances, and investing. Hope to see you next time.